Hello students, Standard 11th, Supplementary, Lesson number 4, Albert Einstein, in which we already seen that Albert Einstein, when he was in his school time, and history teacher asked him a question that when the French and the battle was held, at that time he replied very innocently, he replied very satirically that he don't know the answer. At that time there was a conversation between his history teacher and him, why he did not remind the year, and that way he said that he is not for him it is not important that to remind the history, to make a history, it is an education for him. It means there is totally different way of thinking of Albert Einstein when he was in the school time. As this incident, when we read that, when we listen that, we can come to know that how different his thinking was. And it is the reason, maybe it is the reason that his mind is also in the museum now. Our mind is not in museum, but his mind, actually you don't know, or no, I don't know that, but his mind is so powerful that it is kept in the museum to show that. And it is said also that in his whole lifetime he used his mind 0.05%. It means how we use our mind, just thinking out that. If the intelligent person, actually not intelligent but the most intelligent person of the world, used his mind throughout his life 0.05%, then how much we used our mind, it is a question for us. So at that time he was thinking totally in a different method, totally in a different way, and he was thinking that education is not that to reminding year. What he said, let's we see that. In that case, it means when the conversation between his history teacher and him, in that case, said the history teacher with heavy sarcasm, perhaps you will be so kind as to tell the class the Einstein theory of education. At that time, the history teacher told him, the history teacher ordered him that if you are not thinking as my way, then tell your way, how you think about education. What is your way to think about the education? Tell me. Albert flushed. I think it's not facts that matter, but ideas. I am not thinking about the matter of facts, but I am thinking about idea. Whatever happened, it was the past, and I am not thinking about the past, but I am thinking about the future. What can we do? What did? It was past, and I am not thinking about that. What can we do? I am thinking about that. In means he was thinking about future at that time. He said, I don't see the point in learning the dates of battle, or even which of the armies killed more men. Which armies killed more men, I don't know. And I am not interested to learn about the date of battle. I would be more interesting in learning why those soldiers were trying to kill each other. I don't want to remember the year in which year the battle was held, but I am interested to know that why the soldiers were trying to kill each other. It means why was the fight happen. I want to know the reason. Actually he want to know why. When it was out of his interest. Why? He was interested to learn about that. see the point in learning the dates of battle or even which the armies killed more men. I would more interested in learning why those soldiers were trying to kill each other. Why the person was trying to kill another person. I want to know that reason. That's enough. Mr. Brown's eyes were cold and cruel. Actually, he was very angry at that time. He was very frustrated at that time that why he was not understanding, why he was not giving answer properly. That kind of anger was going in his mind at that time. We don't want a lecture from you, Einstein. You will stay in for an extra period today. Although I don't imagine it will do you much good. At that time, Mr. Browns gave him punishment that you have to stay here for an extra period today because you are doing misbehaving with myself, with me, and that's why you have to stay here from an extra period. If you are not stay here, otherwise it means he threatened him also that if you are not stay here, then you cannot imagine that which kind of bad behavior will happen to you. Although I don't imagine it would be much good, it won't do the school any good either. You are a disgrace. It means you have to ashamed about your behavior. I don't know why you continue to come. Every day I disgrace you, I threatened you, I punish you. Though you come to school every day, I don't know the reason why you come to school every day. It's not my wish, sir. Albert pointed out. At that time, when his history teacher was so much anger and scolded him bitterly, at that time, he gave answer, he replied. Actually, it is a very bravery thing. It is my point of view. Then, you told the truth at anyhow. And he said that to come to school, it's not my choice. I am come to school because of my parents' force. I don't like to come to school. It means to come at here, it's not my choice. So don't ask me that why you come to school. Then you are an ungrateful boy and ought to be ashamed of yourself. I suggest you ask your father to take you away. At that time, Mr. Brown said that you have to ashamed about your behavior. You have to ashamed about your how you treat at that time. You have to ashamed about that. Albert felt miserable. Then you have to ungrateful boy, and I told your father that to take you away from the school. Albert felt miserable when he left the school that afternoon. Not that it had a bad day. Most days were bad now anyway. It was not a bad day, but most of the days are bad for him on that days. Anyway, but because he had to go back to that hateful place the next morning, obviously he has to go to school the next morning. At that day he went to go home at afternoon time, but the next day he has to go to school. He only wished his father would take him away, but there was no point even asking. His only wish was that at that time his father, his father was convinced that to not to put him at the school, but it was a dream for him. It was out of asking. He cannot ask his father that I don't want to go to school. He knew what the answer would be. He would have to stay until he had taken his diploma. Actually, what was his father's answer? He know about that, and he know that his father told him when he told about his wish that I don't want to go to school. At that time, his father replied him that you have to go to school until you completed your diploma. So I have to go to school at the next morning. Going back to his lodging did not cheer him up. His father had so little money to spare that Albert had been found a room in the poorest quarter in Munich. He did not mind the bad food and lack of comfort or even the dirt and the squalor, but he hated the atmosphere of slum violence. His landlady beat her children regularly, and every Saturday her husband came drunk and beat her. Actually, it was a conversation when he was lived, when where the Albert was living at the Munich, when his father sent him to study. At that time, atmosphere was that where he was living, it was not a clean area. Actually, it was unsanitized and unhygienic area where he was living. His father had so little money to spare that. Actually, his father is not a very rich person, so he could afford him a good area to live him. So it was a very slum type area, and where Herbert was living, a room, and he has no problem about that. But he has a problem about that. He has no problem about food and comfort. But he has a problem about that in which area he was living. In this area there is so much violence. Women beat their children every day for their mischievous and about their things, and the drunk man, it means the woman's husband, the children's father, came every Saturday with drinking alcohol and beat her wife. It means the woman. It means the cycle of the karma is going on in front of the eyes of Albert at that time, and he was headed about that. What was happened with the Einstein, we will see into our next video. Have a nice day.